Just Cunha here for Manchester United. Oh, that's a lovely ball, and Darlow is onside, and Steele makes a very good save. It's a brilliant pass and a great run. Diogo Darlow bent that run to stay onside. Great goalkeeping too. It's played into Mainu and back to Bruno Fernandes, and Steele around the post. Clever free kick this. A little flick off Sesko as well. Hinchelwood. Bit of room out here for Kadiolu. Plenty forward for Brighton. This is Welbeck. Oh, he's done really well. Welbeck, Rute off the line. Gruda scores for Brighton. Oh, it's an outstanding goal. Danny Welbeck did so well here. Just got around Mason Mount. Rute's header blocked on the line, but Gruda wasn't going to be denied. Manchester United 0, Brighton 1. Straight to Welbeck, kept out by Lamens. Rute can't put away the follow-up. In fact, Rute was in an offside position and Lamens has got away with it. Only just. Martinez here. Nicely weighted ball, Sesko! Tame in the end, but it's a chance, all right. Just didn't get the lob right. It's definitely going to be a shot at goal here. Under the wall, and just wide of the post. Nearly. Here's Cunha, going to get there ahead of Joel Veltman. Sesko in the middle. Cunha! Just dragged it a bit. Worked it onto his favoured foot, but couldn't find the finish. Joel Veltman's forward ball. Gruda. And Welbeck, oh, what a finish! Danny Welbeck, once of Manchester United, with a classic goal against Manchester United. That is such a good finish. Brighton lead by 2. Bruno Fernandes again. Here's Shea Lacey, he's done well. Sesko wide. Well, the youngster has livened Manchester United up all right, Shea Lacey, but Sesko can't find the finish. Lacey again. 5 in the middle for Manchester United. Here's Casemiro, Lacey, it's dipping! It's worth a go. It's not a million miles away. But if they can get one, they will still believe that there's just about enough time to get 2, but they really need to get the 1. It's Sesko! And it's Steele. Another good stop. Clean contact, comfortable save. Goes back post, Sesko's got a head on it, and it's gone in. And Manchester United are back in this cup tie. Benjamin Sesko. Steele beaten low at the near post. Manchester United 1, Brighton 2. Lacey. He's stretched into that challenge and he's caught Yasin Ayari here. It's a yellow card for Lacey. Lacey. Shepherded out by Kadionu and a free kick's been given, I think. Oh, and Shea Lacey has just had a yellow card and Simon Hooper is given no choice. The teenager's going to be sent off here. That's a shame.